Polkadot may climb 3% by March 20 per digital coin price numbers. First, let's go over the latest move we've seen in the market. Right now, Polkadot is showing a daily loss of 5.7% and sits close to $1.532. Here's what analysts are forecasting now. Digital coin price sees the price approaching $1.577 by tomorrow. And that implies a rise of close to 3%. CoinCodex expects Polkadot may move higher toward $1.558, a rise of about 1.8%. According to coin price forecast, it may edge higher toward $1.55, an estimated gain near 1.2%. A different analysis from Traders Union projects Polkadot could advance to $1.536, a potential gain close to 0.3%. To finish, CoinDataFlow expects a move down to $1.47 by tomorrow, 4% lower than current price. This is the most profitable call among all. You've seen 5 opinions for tomorrow. Let's take the next step. Let's now shift from forecast to expected outcomes. Based on the forecasts examined today, the expected price variation could be from a decline of 4% to a gain of 3%, depending on the analyst. Looking at the numbers, CoinDataFlow comes out on top with 4% boost in value by tomorrow. From this, you could see returns of between $3 and $40 for every $1,000 you invest. Judging by the probability, Traders Union is ahead with a 95.8% chance of success. From the total set of forecasts, I've put forward one consensus picture. Consensus estimate place Polkadot nearly unchanged, around $1.538. Let's break it down step by step. The consensus outlook points to a 0.5% rise in price. Put another way, your capital could also rise by roughly 0.5% along with that shift. For a 1,000 position, this might point to a possible increase of $5, which puts the probability of this consensus forecast being met at roughly 95.4%. To follow up, let's see how analysts describe the 3-day performance. According to digital coin price, the price path is set to rise. Likewise, CoinCodex describes the path as tilting upward. For this horizon, meanwhile, coin price forecast sees Polkadot heading higher. Traders Union highlights a bearish short-term picture. According to similarly CoinDataFlow, Polkadot is set to slip. The consensus highlights downside potential, keeping Polkadot on a bearish track. Looking across the different projections, the overall picture reveals that most analysts lean bullish, with Polkadot seen on a rising track. 2 days ago, 5 forecasts were made. Let's check which ones matched the move. As a result, the price action finished at $1.577. As it turned out, only one forecast lined up with the actual trend. If the focus is accuracy, 30 rates was ahead of the rest. Now let's sort it out. Every forecast fit yesterday's range. For ROI performance, everyone gained, but coin price forecast had the most notable result. And now take a moment to look at the summary table. It shows how every forecast held up. 30 rates posted accuracy, 97.9% forecast probability, and 0.7% ROI. Have a look and see whose forecast matched reality best. Now we'll see how Polkadot stands in tomorrow's expected returns compared with a few others. Polkadot is positioned second, while Render dominates tomorrow's outlook with 3.1%. This segment compares Polkadot with 4 randomly picked cryptocurrencies. The extended comparison and full analyst performance data will soon be available on my website and Telegram. Before we move on, make sure to like and subscribe if you enjoy seeing all these forecasts side by side. Catch you later.